In today's video, we're comparing GoHighLevel and ClickFunnels, two platforms that often get mentioned together but are actually built for very different types of businesses. What's up guys, my name is Kyle. If you're trying to decide between GoHighLevel and ClickFunnels, chances are you're looking for a platform that can help you generate leads, sell offers, and automate parts of your business without duct taping 5 different tools together. The problem is, both platforms sound similar on the surface. They both talk about funnels, automation, and scaling. But once you're inside the software, the experience is very different. By the end of this video, you'll understand what each platform is actually designed to do, where GoHighLevel and ClickFunnels overlap and where they don't, which one makes more sense based on your business model, and a simple way to choose without overthinking it. If you want to test the platforms yourself, you'll find links in the description for free trials so you can see how each one feels in practice. Alright, let's break it down. What both platforms are trying to solve. Before comparing features, it's important to understand the problem that both platforms are trying to solve. Most businesses need a way to capture leads, a way to sell offers, a way to follow up automatically, and a way to track what's actually working. ClickFunnels and GoHighLevel both aim to centralize that, but they approach it from different starting points. ClickFunnels start with marketing and funnels. GoHighLevel starts with business systems and automation. That difference shapes everything else. So let's look at each platform on its own first. ClickFunnels overview, what it's best at. ClickFunnels is, at its core, a funnel building platform. It's best known for high converting sales funnels, landing pages and upsells, product launches and webinars, selling digital products and offers. The biggest strength of ClickFunnels is speed. You can choose a funnel template, customize pages visually, connect Stripe, and start selling quickly. It's especially popular with course creators, coaches, info product sellers, and affiliate marketers. However, once a lead enters your funnel, ClickFunnels relies heavily on integrations or add-ons for deeper follow-up and automations. And that's where GoHighLevel takes a different approach. GoHighLevel was built with a different goal in mind. GoHighLevel focuses on CRM and contact management, advanced automations or workflows, SMS, emails, and conversations in one inbox, pipelines and appointment bookings, and long-term lead follow-up and nurturing. Instead of asking, how do I sell this offer? GoHighLevel asks, how do I manage leads, clients, and follow-ups automatically over time? That makes it especially powerful for agencies, service-based businesses, local businesses, and anyone booking calls or managing clients. So while both platforms can generate leads, the depth of what happens after the lead comes in is very different. Let's start with the most obvious comparison, funnels and pages. ClickFunnels is still one of the easiest tools for building sales pages, upsells and downsells, and product funnels. The funnel experience is polished and very marketer focused. GoHighLevel also has a funnel and page builder, and it's more than capable, but it's not the main attraction. Here's the key difference. ClickFunnels is optimized for selling offers, and GoHighLevel funnels are optimized for feeding automation and follow-up. So if your business lives and dies by front-end funnels, ClickFunnels feels more natural. If funnels are just one part of a bigger system, GoHighLevel fits better. Automation and follow-ups. This is where the platform starts to separate more clearly. ClickFunnels automations are primarily email sequences, funnel-based actions, and basic triggers. They work well inside a funnel, but they're limited once you step outside that structure. GoHighLevel's workflows, on the other hand, are built for multi-step automation, condition logic, if-else, SMS emails and internal actions, and long-term lead nurturing. This means GoHighLevel can stop messaging when someone replies, route leads based on behavior, and manage follow-ups across weeks or months. If automation is central to your business, GoHighLevel gives you far more control. CRM and lead management. Another major difference are how leads are handled after they enter the system. ClickFunnels tracks contacts, mainly in relation to funnels and purchases. GoHighLevel treats contacts as long-term assets. Full activity history, tags and notes, pipeline stages, and appointment tracking. This makes GoHighLevel better suited for sales teams, ongoing client relationships, and service delivery. ClickFunnels is great for transactions, whereas GoHighLevel is better for relationships and systems. Now let's talk costs, because this is where many people pause. ClickFunnels plans typically range higher once you start adding email tools, automations, and additional features. On the other hand, hand, GoHighLevel's pricing includes funnels, CRMs, emails and SMS, automation workflows, and calendars. In many places, GoHighLevel replaces multiple tools, while ClickFunnels often pairs with others. So, which one should you choose? Here's a simple way to decide without overthinking it. Choose ClickFunnels if funnels are your main focus. You sell digital products or offers. You want speed and simplicity, or you don't need deep automation. Choose GoHighLevel if you run a service-based business or agency. You rely on follow-ups and appointments. You want automation to replace manual work, and you need CRM and pipeline management. Neither platform is better in isolation. They're better for different jobs. A few quick clarifications. ClickFunnels is not a full CRM replacement. GoHighLevel is not just a funnel builder, and you don't need both unless your business truly requires it. The mistake most people make is choosing based on hype instead of workflow. If you followed along, you should now have a clear picture of how GoHighLevel and ClickFunnels differ, not just in features, but philosophy. ClickFunnels help you sell, GoHighLevel helps you systemize. If you want to test either platform, you'll find the links in the description for free trials. Just so you know, these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. That support helps us keep creating free step-by-step tutorials like this. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more GoHighLevel tutorials, comparisons, and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.